This is a 2005 Honda Odyssey EX-L. There are 8 seat belts. The timing belt and water pump has been done. This CARFAX report shows no history of being involved in any accidents or having any damage reported. The back seats lay down really flat. I have one down to show you, but the other one also so you can see the storage area in the back. It goes up very easy. I'll zoom in here and you can see the rims and the tread on the tires. I'll go inside now. They are power doors. Show you the third row. There are no tears or rips. This is the middle row. In the back, there's an extra storage right here. You can lift this up and then this spins. So you have quite a few options of storing your gadgets and accessories. There is a sunroof you can enjoy. There are no caution or warning lights on. Those are your steering wheel controls. There's the door controls, power locks and power windows. It is dual climate control. And the rear passengers have control of their own air if you would like them to. There are heated seats. If you are looking for a van, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this out for a test drive. We are located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your next vehicle from Onyx and you will drive away with a smile and a full tank of gas. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock.